afternoon. I'm Gia po from Welling, Manila.
Hello.
So, as ko na, unahan ko na po, hindi na kayo tatanong. So, meron po ba kami expect na something like fan meeting or album since nag-release naman po kayo ng song?
Fan meeting.
Opo. Kahit album launch na
Well, kanina, we were in McDonald's. We had like a mini fan meeting. With regards to yung mga fan meeting ng mga artists, I think it will all depend to UR if mag-organize sila ng ganon. But of course, I'm always game ng mag-deliver.
So, next question po is, nina-expect niyo po ba na mag-release niyo ng song this year or parang hindi siya in-expect na hindi siya sa plans niyo?
Well, I think lahat ng ginagawa ko sa life, pagiging artista, pagiging actor, never ko siya in-expect. All I knew when I was younger was to play basketball and eventually mag-help sa family business. So like this whole thing, this whole showbiz, acting, having my own business, and now like I have endorsements, and most recently nga itong releasing a single, hindi ko siya in-expect talaga, diba? I mean, parang far-fetched nga to be, if you think about it. But I think if you just, if you're open to opportunities and galingan mo lang sa lahat ng mga opportunities na binibigay sa'yo at maging masipag ka at maging grateful, I think you can be successful. And hopefully sa itong bagong journey na aking tinatakay ay sana ay maging successful din ako. But I'm gonna do my best, that's for sure.
Thank you po, thank you.
Hello.
Alexander. First of all, congratulations,
Salamat.
recording artist.
Salamat, ganda ng top mo
Thank you. Siguro, the first thing that we wanted to know, what is the song all about?
It's about liking someone and just, I think, minsan kasi nahihiya tayo sabihin na gusto natin yung isang tao or like we are falling in love with that person, diba? So, I think just how to do it, just say it because you only live once and malay mo, mahal ka rin.
Is the song specific? Parang is it a love letter to a person or to someone who is close to you, or meron bang specific person na dedicate kaya yung song sa kanya?
It's open to everybody. Maybe you'll never know. Baka.
Sige, last na lang. How did you prepare for this debut single? Did you go through voice lessons? Ano yung mga ginawa mo to prepare for this?
Actually, since last year, nag-voice lessons na talaga ako sa UR. And then just this year, nag-open up yung schedule after ko lang araw. I went back to doing voice lessons with the help of UR. And then, ayun, I would just sing sa banyo, sa kotse, ganyan. Pinatulungan din ako ng aking assistant, si Kenji, sa pagkakanta. So, ayun. We just did it. And then during the recording day, I was super shy. Kasi, as you guys know, medyo mahihayin talaga ang tao. But with the help of white wine, ako ay natulungan. Kumanta. Yun.
Pero bang white wine habang nag-recording? Wala na.
Yeah, I was drinking wine the whole time. Happy lang, yeah.
Well, congratulations and good luck to your
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi David, sorry
Hello.
from 25 News. Isa rin kasi sa exciting part of having a single is yung pagkakaroon din ng music video. There's any usapan regarding the music video, collaborations, and kung sino man yung magiging partner o love team mo sa music video?
Yeah, it's in the works. Nakita ko sa schedule ko na meron nga akong gagawin na music video. So looking forward to it. With regards to kung sino yung aking magiging love team, let's see. kung sino. Again, it all depends on the management, kung ano yung mag-work, and kung sino rin yung pwede. Ako naman, ginagawa ko lang yung aking binibigay sa akin na trabaho.
Meron ka bang request na si BF yung
Di Barbie, oo naman, syempre. Depende sa kanya kung willing siya to do it. Alam naman natin na very busy siya doing endorsements, doing her show now. Diba? So, let's see. Hopefully, she is game to do it.
how's your 2025 right now?
Happy interview mo ako. First time ko interview ng Net25. So, really grateful. And, masaya
Interview na
ako.
kita ng G.
Ha?
G.
Ano G?
GLU.
Oo nga pala, no? Di ka kasi naka-Net25 nun. Di ko lang ang ID nun. Happy 2025. Maraming work. I have also been focusing on business. On myself, talagang mostly about self-improvement. Also playing basketball, spending time with my family. May show din ako coming up and a movie, so really looking forward to it.
Thank you, congratulations.
RJ. RJ dalit niya.
Yes. Magandang hapon, aming pambansang Pinoy.
Wow, thank you. Hello.
You are in your single era. And I like your single. Kanina pa ako na LSS.
Wow! Gawa ka naman ng TikTok edit. Sumasayaw ko na.
Anyways, you mentioned earlier that being a recording artist seemed to be far-fetched from who you really are. So I want to know, what was that turning point? What was your turning point when you said to yourself, I'm not just gonna act, I'm gonna sing?
Good question. When the opportunity presented, when Universal Records approached us, si ALB manager ko, and told me na, they were gonna sign me. Of course, at that point, naisip ko na, talaga ba? Kaya ko ba? Diba? But then, naisip ko din na minsan lang kasi yung mga ganitong opportunity. Right? And again, sa life ko, hindi ko naman talaga expect lahat ng ito. Diba? So I think I'm a person who is just accepting whatever the opportunity that comes in my way, diba? And ayun, gagalingan ko lang talaga. Hindi ko rin sure kung magaling ako or kung gagaling ako, but I'm gonna do my best to figure out kung gagaling ako. At with the help of UR, sana gumaling ako.
Mahusay ka actually, kanina pa talaga ako na LS ka sa song.
Talaga?
Feeling ko pag uwi ko sa bahay, nasagot ako pa rin yung song mo.
Wow.
Last
Thank you.
question.
Go.
If your love life were a playlist, what would be the first track, the second track, and the last track?
Oh my God. I think I Love You is probably the soundtrack of my love life. Siguro ano pa, Multo. I love that song. At pangatlo, ano ba? Taylor Swift song. Daylight or sure. Collide. Alam niyo ba yung Collide by Howie Day?
Yes.
And that's my favorite song. So, siguro yun.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you for your question.
Thank you po. Next po. Do you have any input in the making of your single when it comes to like melody, rhythm, lyrics, stuff like that?
Well, I'm a very practical person. So, ang sinabi ko talaga sa UR is, I wanted a song na would resonate to the Gen Zs. Yung song na pwedeng mag-trend on TikTok, di ba? So, with I Think I Love You, I think yung, what do you call that, melody? Yung melody niya is very bagay talaga sa TikTok. So, yun. And with regards to the lyrics, ang sabi ko ay gusto ko parang kausap ko yung girl. Ganun. So, yeah. I think I love it.
And my second question would be, so you say you're an introvert, so, but now parang nag-open up ka na. So aside from my wine, how are you able to open up and become more extroverted?
Takes a lot of preparation, that's for sure. This morning, I was I was on YouTube, diba? Like, nag-check lang ako like how to properly communicate, how I can be confident, you know. So every day it's a different preparation for me. So pag nasa business ako, iba rin yung ways ko of preparation. Kapag meron akong ganitong haharapin ko yung media, iba yung preparation ko. And a lot of meditation, a lot of affirmations really. And yeah, I mean, siguro yung pinaka nag-work sa akin is, it's not really about myself, right? It's about the song, it's about you guys. Just, lahat naman tayo nandito lang para magtrabaho, hindi ba?
Yes.
So, minsan kasi isipin natin na, oh, baka isipin niya kung ano na yung mga pinagsasabi ko.
Overthinking.
Overthink ka kapag ano ka, kapag introvert ka eh. So yeah, that's what's been helping me. It's not about me. It's about, yeah, it's about life.
Feeling ko matandad ka naman. Baka nga tama lang ng preparation and parang mga nerves lang siguro.
Yeah, I think preparation talaga helps and
Calming down.
yeah, and marami kasing ways eh, di ba? Kasi ako yung person na gusto ko mag-improve all the time. Di ba? So I'm all for self-improvement, so lahat ng pwede kong matutunan sa YouTube, sa pagbabasa ng libro, ina-apply ko sa life ko. So thankfully, hindi na ako ganun ka-shy. I mean, I'm still shy, but I'm improving. I'm getting there. Hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Na you did this one out of opportunity presented to you. So, what made you say yes specifically to I Think I Love You? Ano yung nakita mo dun sa project na yun that made you say yes? Ito yung gusto ko unang singer.
Nag-produce kasi nito si Luke. Siya talaga yung nag-compose ng song, actually lahat. So, nung napakinggan ko siya, nagandahan talaga ako sa song. So, sabi ko, ito na yung gawin natin. And then, ano ulit yung question mo?
What made you say yes specifically to this song na ito yung unang mong gagawin?
Okay, so, I think I resonate with the lyrics, to be honest. Kaya na lang mag-isip kung bakit. Kasi nag-resonate ako sa lyrics. So, yun. Yeah.
Okay. Ano na lang yung favorite line mo dun sa song na pwede mo siyang gamitin in real life?
Mga lyrics nun. I think I love you. Kaya kung meron akong love, I love ka ba?
Gusto ko na kayo interview.
Well, yung iba, yung mga hindi pa nag-aamin. Sabihin mo lang, I think I love you.
Alright. So, does this mean na makikita ka namin as a singer? More as a singer?
Yeah, of course, I would love to. Again, it depends on who you are. If you still wanna produce a song for me, because we know na it takes a lot of work to, like even this, like itong pag-organize ng isang media con ay mahirap. So it really depends on them. But if you were to ask me, of course, I would love to. Na-enjoy ko siya, surprisingly. Nag-wine, tapos nag-record. Feeling singer lang.
Okay, last na. Ano yung mga genre and music pa na gusto mong i-explore after this one?
Gusto ko yung song na palagi. So something like that, hopefully.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much again, Chili.
Thank you so much also.
Okay, pass it.
So my question is, you're someone who wears many hats. You do acting, you do business. So what are your excitements and challenges as you went through the process of becoming a recording artist?
To be honest with you, the preparation is different but same at the same time. I think I always stick to my morning routine. If I am able to do my morning routine, which is work out, meditate, do the book. I even do tongue twisters just to, wake up my brain. And then, when I start working, nandun na ako sa zone ko na tinatawag na parang, anong tawag doon? Kalimutan ko talaga. Basta, yung zone na yun, meditative state. Yeah, so, when I get to that meditative state, and I feel like I can do everything, I'm more assertive. When it comes to wearing many hats, yeah, yun yung problem ko now, because ang dami kong ginagawa talaga. So it's hard to compartmentalize. For example, mayroong problema sa negosyo, and I still have to, be here, and then may acting naman ako. But slowly, I am figuring it out. I feel like kailangan ko gumawa ng time blocks. Let's say, at this point, at this hour, ito yung gagawin ko. And then the next hour, ito yung gagawin ko. Pero tatanggalin ko na yung business ko once I get here. So parang, yun yung ginagawa ko everyday. And also, plan ko rin gawin, for example, Monday, negosyo, Tuesday, artista, Wednesday, iba naman. Parang ganun. So, yeah, it's helping me. I hope na gumaan yung trabaho.
So last question from me is, now that you're a recording artist, do you have personal aspirations? Do you want to do concerts, fan meets, or other events that are recording artists normally does?
It works out. Yeah, why not? Diba? Again, I'm a very practical person. I think it depends on you are. If the song will sell, then definitely I'll be super happy to do that. All those stuff. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
With TV Control and
Hi.
ESPN. Hi. When you started out, diba, you tried learning how to sing for a year. Did you
Sorry?
ask
Learn how to-
for a year since last year,
Singing,
no?
yeah. Right.
Did you ask help from anyone besides syempre yung mga tutor mo, yung mga nagtuturo sa'yo, from your friends, syempre sa showbiz? And meron ka bang, since recording artist ka na, meron ka bang gusto maka-collab in the future or makasama mag-perform itong I Think I Love You?
Did I ask anyone? Yeah, I asked yung kapitbahay ko si Ben Ben.
Oh!
Yeah, so actually kanina magkasabay kami mag-gym and next week we are gonna have wine. We're gonna talk about, I don't know, a lot of stuff since he is getting married this January, I think.
Yeah.
So, yun. And, ano yung question mo?
Next, you answered the first. The second
Okay.
question, sino gusto mong makakollab or
makakollab.
makakasama mag-perform ng I Think I Love You in the
To be
future?
honest, yung pitch ko ngayon kay Ben and Ben.
Ah,
Tatanong ko siya,
really?
bro, baka pwede mo kasama sa concert mo o baka
Opening
pwede tayo
act.
mag-collab, something like that. But, ang taas yun eh. Andito lang ako eh. Hindi ko lang mabayag siya.
Why
But
not?
hopefully.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Interesting